Oh, oh, it's the Ari. The Ari, how the fuck do you say it? R double C one. That R double C one. Ari Mouse. FragWatch here. Construction going on in the background. Hope you can't hear it. We are going to unbox this. It's the... How the hell do you say it? Air? Ah, something. That's the box. Let's open her up. Yeah, we got some fucking pull tabs here. Don't need the knife. Hopefully. A little trash pile with a knife. Okay. All right. So far, so good. It's got like a key card. I got 1305 of 2000. Let's get the mouse out, yeah? How the fuck? Does this come off? This. Okay. It's great packaging. It's really good packaging. It's really good packaging. What the fuck are you doing to me? Jesus Christ. Do you have it glued in there? Just the dongle. I mean, it's cool looking dongle. Guess. Okay. Does this bottom come off? What the fuck, man? This is the worst box. I might have... See, I'm like disgruntled. Got a cord. It's just a cord. Soft. It's not gonna... Remember, it's got one of these downward boys here. I like that. Put that back in the box. I got like 4 of those on my desk already. Okay, so that's what was in the little box. That was a pain in the ass to get out. It's just like coming undone. Let me see if I can just... Oh my god. Just please go back in there. This is like the frustration unboxing. There we go. Yeah. Okay. Let's do this. What's in this? And then we'll get to the mouse. Oh, the part you guys are right here. I'll flip it over so it's like a sneak peek. Let's flip that over. Here we go. Is this going to be an Angry Meow review? Wow, that's so flat. Okay. Might be good. Not a fucking clone. That's for sure. Okay. I like the messaging so far. I like that messaging. Hey, that's accurate, good messaging. I like that. Got a cleaning cloth. I mean, I don't think that coating's going to get all fucked up. Got like a... I guess I got a manual. Okay. I mean, it's a well done manual, but like... We got skates. I'm not going to make you guys watch me put skates on again. We'll keep this short. 2 kinds of skates. That's what's in here. We'll put this back. Keep it brief. Keep it brief. I'll put my hand on this mouse and let you know what I think. I guess I need to... I'll just tear this in half. I can't tear it in half because I'm weak. Just leave that out. This is like one of the worst unboxing experiences I might have ever had. Let's hope the mouse is good. That actually might be great. Ooh, man, that is a nice feeling click. Damn. Oh, boy. Ooh, yeah. Damn. It's a weird scroll wheel, though. Weird scroll wheel. Weird alert. Man, this is only if you're going to grip the back of this. I can't even do this with my sleeve because it's too slick. Okay. It's my unboxing of that. The Air. Ari, you guys tell me in the comments how the fuck to say that. RC001 or RCC1. I don't know what I spent on this. Is it probably 150? I don't know. I don't remember. All right. We'll start reviewing it. Take it easy.